As manufacturing goes global, Midea Building Technologies ignites a value delivery revolution, shattering the old paradigm of fragmented hardware-software solutions. The 18,500 RT high-efficiency plant room for Lens Technology Vietnam stands as proof of China's smart manufacturing evolution. From selling products to delivering full-chain value, front end is the starting point of value delivery. Facing clients new to Chinese chillers, Midea broke barriers with outcome-committed services, replaced paper blueprints with digital modeling, generated real-time visual proposals, optimized systems via hydraulic and energy simulations, adapted to local climate and anti-corrosion needs, enabled cross-border currency settlement, letting clients see a reliable, high-efficiency plant room in the virtual realm. Solution as service, built trust from 0 to 1. Middle end is a delivery revolution that subverts tradition, confronting a 40-day deadline in transnational coordination. Midea deployed its modular prefabricated plant room, factory pre-assembled modules, rapid on-site Vietnam assembly, virtual commissioning via digital twin rehearsals, 11 departments, 12 technical teams in sync. The construction period is shortened by 50%, achieving zero delivery interference. Backend is the closed loop of value circulation. Delivery isn't the end. It's where energy optimization begins. Building real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance achieved zero downtime, dynamic efficiency curve tuning, enhanced ESG reports with verified environmental performance data, multilingual UI plus remote operation and maintenance across 8,700 kilometers. Sustainable value is the true global language. From Vietnam to the world, this leap embodies breaking value ceilings through the product plus platform plus service triple dynamics. Front, deep consultancy. Middle, agile delivery. Back, smart evolution. Midea delivers full lifecycle value. Complexity handled by Midea. Simplicity delivered to clients. The true evolution delivers more than plant rooms. It's China's smart manufacturing value blueprint for the world.